Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very strange looking Jack Gordon skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this strange looking character, and to begin we're going to start out with his eyes first, and we can just kind of draw in two slants representing the top of his eyes. So we're going to draw one slant, so it's going to be slanting down a little bit. And then we're going to come across and we're going to draw another one, and this one's going to be slightly lower. Okay, and then from there we're going to draw in right on the side, just draw a little bracket coming down, and then right in the middle here just draw like a little half circle, and then we'll just connect that. So right in the middle just draw a little half circle and then connect those edges to the point. Okay, and then that's gonna be his eye shape. So inside, just gonna draw a circle. So this one's easy. Just gonna have him looking straight into us. And then from there, let's draw in his mouth. So just come down in the middle. We're gonna draw one line across first. And then on the bottom of it, just draw another line, kind of like a sad face. Okay, and then once we have that, we're just gonna connect the sides. So it's a very strange looking mouth. Alright, so then from there we're gonna draw in the chin. So just kind of come down and draw like a little curve like this first. And then on each side we're gonna curve up. So I know it's a little bit weird, but this is gonna be like his little chin area. So now we're gonna draw in the whole pumpkin head. So we're gonna start on the side here, just drawing like a bracket. Okay, nice and wide. And then from this bracket here, we're just gonna tuck it in slightly behind the chin area. Okay, and then for the top here, it'll just be nice and smooth. So we're just gonna go all the way across. And then let's add in some lines. So right here, we're gonna draw one coming down. And then this one's gonna curve out this way. So we're just kind of giving the pumpkin some shape here. And then on this side, we're gonna continue this line, just kind of go out. So now it looks a little bit rounded, right? Okay, and then to finish off the head, we're gonna be a little stem on the top. So just drawing a little bit of a bracket like that first. And then on this side, we're gonna extend it up, and then we're gonna curve it all the way around until it kind of touches the top of the pumpkin. And then once you have that curve, we're gonna start inside here. Just curve it all the way in and just connect that. Okay, so that's his head, and yeah, definitely a very unique looking character. Alright, so the bottom is just gonna be his suit. So we're gonna start out. You're not gonna see much of his neck, so we're just gonna start here. Just draw like a little V shape. That's gonna be his collar. And then from here, just kind of come out. And then here is the shirt collar, just come out. And we just connect that. And then we're gonna extend it, just go all the way down to the center. And then let's go ahead and finish up his tie. So right in the middle here, just draw one line across, and then here's the knot for the tie, just kind of slant up. And then here's his tie going down. And we can add in a little bit of detail there just to make it look like cloth. Okay. And then from here, let's draw in his suit. So we can draw the inside first. So we're gonna come down here. Just kind of go down. And go down the other side, and don't worry about the length of this line for now. You can always make it longer. Okay, so let's draw the outside here. So we got from the corner here, his shoulder's gonna go out. Nice and wide, almost to the side of his head. And then now we're gonna come down, just kind of pinch it in all the way down to his waist. This side, just kind of pinch it. And then now we just close it off. Okay, so let's draw in his inside of his shirt. Let's just draw in his belt first. So we're gonna come across here, and here's the little buckle. And then for his shirt, for his vest, right in the middle, we're gonna come down, and then just draw a little angle like that going out. And then, no, he's got a lot of buttons, but I'm just gonna draw in 3 because I don't have a lot of space with these Sharpies. Okay, and then to finish off his suit, so just come on the side here, you can draw in a little angle like this. Okay, so this is gonna be a suit collar, so we're gonna go up. And then this one's gonna go in. It's gonna come down a little bit more. And then lastly, we can add in these little pockets in here. So on the side, just add in a little rectangle. Alright, so that's his suit, and let's add in his arm. So here's the armpit. You can just draw in a line like that first. And then here is the outside of his shoulder coming down. So it's kind of skinny, so we just kind of draw him a little bit straighter. Okay, so here's his elbow. We're gonna turn it down slightly. It's kind of same area as the bottom of his suit. So I'm gonna close it off. And let's add in one little section for his shirt. And then for his hand, here's his thumb. Just give a little angle. Go back up. Here's the inside of the palm, slanting down. And then on the back of the hand right here, come down straight. And then for his finger, so we just kind of curl. And then we'll turn it and just go back all the way back up here. And then for his other finger, we just draw one more right here, just a little angle. And then it's gonna show up here on the back, a little tip. Okay, so let's draw in the other arm. It's gonna be pretty much the same. So here's the armpit going across. Shoulders coming down. Again, kind of skinny. Here's the elbow. Come down right around here. Close it off, and then let's add in one section for his shirt. And the same thing here, so his thumb, angle. Just go back up. Inside the palm, slant. Back of the palm. And then finger. And just go back up into the back of the palm. So it's like a little claw right here. Now for the other finger, come down, turn it. Here's the fingertip. Okay, so it's a very generic looking hand shape, and you can use that for a lot of the other different characters. Alright, so let's move down to his pants, and his pants are kind of skinny as well. So here's the middle. Draw one line, go back to the middle, let's add in another line. We're gonna start out here, come down pretty straight, maybe a little bit curvature in, going in, and then here his knee, so just a little bracket. Okay, so let's draw on the other side. So same thing here, we're gonna come down, middle, go off to the side, knee for the little bracket. And then for the bottom, so we're gonna come back up here, just flare it out slightly. And we're gonna come down, maybe just pinch it in slightly. Close it with a curve, and then for a shoe, it's real easy. Curve, and this one's gonna curve out a little bit more. It's one of those stretch shoes, so it's a little bit smaller. And then just one line. Okay, so same thing on the other side, flare out, pinch it in. His shoe's gonna be the same thing, come down, and this one's gonna come out a little bit more. Alright, so that's his body, and for all those little pumpkin shapes on his suit, I'm gonna switch to a smaller Sharpie, and I'm pretty much just gonna draw in a bunch of little pumpkin shapes all around. And I'll probably draw in the little features of the pumpkin, just with the color, because I don't want to mess it up with too much little black lines everywhere. So I'm just gonna draw in a bunch of these little shapes. So they're connected to the side, so we're only gonna see most of the time just kind of half of it. And I'm drawing a little bit bigger so I don't have to draw in too many little pumpkins. A couple more here. Okay, and then down his pants right here. So it should be kind of interesting once we color it. And that is it for this very strange looking Jack Gordon skin in Fortnite. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.